You pick a software, learn transitions, effects, and cuts, but still you are halfway there because there is something beyond editing, something that connects every frame to the viewer. Design. From your favorite movie poster to the mountain valleys, design is everywhere. It's what make a frame not just look good but feel right. And once you learn design, even your simplest clips start feeling like cinema. And in this video, I will show you how design turns good video editors into great storytellers. That's why the first topic is color. Color isn't about how a frame looks, it's about how it feels. A warm tone can whisper comfort. A cool tone can echo silence. And contrast, it creates tension. The kind you don't even notice, but you feel. Color is emotion. It's mood. It's memory. You don't just grade a video, you grade a feeling. Once you learn how to use color with intention, your edit doesn't just look good, it speaks louder. You have learned how to cut. You have learned how to add effects. But here's the truth most editors miss. Where you place things inside the frame changes everything. This is composition. And no, it's not just about rule of thirds or symmetry. It's about control. Control over what your viewer sees, and more importantly, what they feel. Think about this. Why does a centered subject feel powerful? Why does shifting them to a side creates tension? Because your frame isn't just showing a video, it's directing attention, it's building mood, it's telling a story without a single word. Great editors doesn't just put things together, they design space, they guide emotion. That's why when a frame feels right, it's not luck, it's composition. And that's the shift. Most editors just focus on cuts and effects. But if you want to stand out, you need to think bigger, think like a storyteller, like a content creator, like someone who sees the full picture, not just the timeline. And if that's what you are aiming for, this channel is built for you. Subscribe and let's build that mindset, skill set, and creative edge together.